Hey guys, how you doing? I'm gonna start off by prepping my natural nail for my gel extensions. Please bear with me. I have never filmed a video of myself doing my own nails, so I kind of go out of frame here and there. It's a learning curve, okay? Now I'm going in with my Young Nails nail glue, sheetabond.com, and I'm gonna just put my tips on, as you can see, so just keep watching. Once I clip them, I'm going in with a hand file and smoothing the fake tip with my natural nail so that, you know, it's not bumpy. Now I'm going in with my Beetles base gel. I love this base gel. V much. I'm just gonna put a thin coat on all the nails. Next, I'm going in with my Ibd Hard Gel, and I'm going to do a slip layer first. That way, when I do my bigger ball of gel, it knows kind of where to go. I actually strayed away from Ibd Hard Gel for a minute to try and find a thicker hard gel, but I went back to my Ibd. I like her. I should have never cheated. Next, I'm going to shape my nails and get them looking nice and finished. That way we can paint. Here I'm going back in with that base gel from Beetles and doing another thin coat on all the nails. Next, I'm going in with this Gherkin gel polish. Super pigmented. I love this brand of gel polish. I am gonna do 2 coats. You just don't see me do it. But 2 coats of that on all the nails. Something happened to the part where I did my middle nail, but it says ho ho ho. Love it. Now I'm doing, I think these are icicles that I see people do. I hope that's what they are. That's what I'm calling them. So I'm gonna do that on my pinky nail. On my pointer nail, I'm going to do a snowflake. I've been doing a lot of snowflakes. I'm a little over snowflakes, but that's fine. They're cute. On my thumbnail, I'm going to do a ribbon with a bow. I believe that's what it is. You know, like a wrapped present, but it's my thumbnail. Okay, I'm still learning how to do round things with my detail brushes. It's really hard. Like, That's difficult. It looks easy. It's freaking difficult, okay? This part was supposed to be deleted. I don't know how that got in there, but this is my ring finger. I'm gonna do a bear. So I'm just gonna fill this bear in with a white gel polish from, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it'll be in the description box. All my products that I used will be in the description box. I'm gonna fill the bear in. I did 2 coats. I hate white gel polish. I need to get gel paint. Now I'm going in with a brownish orangish color for his little scarf. It turned out kind of cute. It's funny, I see pictures on Google or Pinterest or Facebook groups and I'm like, oh, I can do that, and then I try and do it and it looks nothing like the inspiration picture. I'm very jealous, but it's still cute. I'm proud of myself. As you can see, I'm doing a little snowflake when I'm in frame. Now I'm going in with Young Nails black gel paint, which is the bomb, and I'm gonna outline the bear, and I'm gonna outline the scarf, and I'm gonna put his little face on. Now I'm going in with my Joya Mia top coat, and I'm going to top coat the thumb and put a little rhinestone on there, and then I'm gonna put a rhinestone on the snowflake. I wish I put I wish I would have put rhinestones on the ho 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 little sparkle things. Those 3 spots right there. I have little tiny rhinestones I could have put on. I might do that. But I'm top coating the rest, and then you guys will see the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. I'll see you with the next one. Bye.